have a GE side-by-side refrigerator here. It's got an inverter-controlled compressor. Listen to that noise. It's definitely coming from the compressor. Feel it very, the compressor's hot to the touch. We should be up around 100 degrees on that condenser. It's lower than that, much lower than that, so 15 degrees about lower than that. So we've got either a sealed system issue. More than likely though, it's a problem with the compressor. This pump is becoming weak, not moving as much vapor as it should, probably because there's a bearing or a valve in there is going defective. So this compressor is on borrowed time.